Welcome to our college algebra. The topic for today is the question of the line. So we are going to work with this theorem. It's a 4.4, which is means a slope intercept form, and it's this way. So what is the slope intercept form? This is the formula: y equals mx plus b. All right. Let's write some ideas before to find the answer to this problem. We have to find the slope intercept form. To write the question in a slope intercept form with these two data, two information. Okay. First of all, m mean is the slope. M is the slope. All right, of the line. Right, and B, we are talking about this formula. B is the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay, so this is a clue. Don't forget it to this idea. Okay, M is the slope of the line and B is the y-intercept in this formula. Okay. Another information, when you have a slope, what I mean this slope, let me explain the conclusion. What is the slope? Okay, when you have increase on y divided by increase by x, this will be equals, we'll have 0 minus b divided by b. Negative, this is a fraction, negative b over m, okay, minus 0, right? So this is equals, here we are going to have negative b, okay, divided by, again, by b, negative b divided by m, okay? As a conclusion, this will be equals m. So that's why we call M or slope. Okay. After this, we are able to solve on this problem. It is very simple. It is easy. Just simplify. Just follow the formula. Our formula is y mx plus b. So just write it this way: y is equals. What is the slope? So the slope is m. How much is m? It's the third, right? X. See, how much is b? How much is b? Is negative. So negative 5. So this is our formula. The equation of the line. This is the equation of the line using this slope and this y-intercept or b. Okay. This is our first problem. Let me write another problem. Let's write a different problem here. Find the slope and the y-intercept and y-intercept of 3x, okay, minus y equals 2. This is our equation. And then graph the line. Graph the line. We have to make the graph too. Alright, with this information, first write the formula. We have the formula y equals mx plus b. So we have to write in this way this equation. Okay. So then you write the equation in that way. We are gonna have so we will have y equals this is our problem. Will be 3x minus negative 2, so minus 2, right? So now here, how much is m? The slope. How much is the slope? The slope is 3, right? 3. How much is b? Oh, I mean y-intercept. Y-intercept. Intercept b is b. Y-intercept is b. How much is here? It's -2. -2. All right. So it says here our problem is graph the line. Just x. We have to write some data here. So like that. Okay, just write the point. The slope. What is the slope? 3. So this means 3 over 1. Over 1. So remember the information that I gave you before. So in the bottom is x, and the top is the moving in up or down, right? So then we are gonna have our point right here, 1, and then the other one is right here. See, our graph will be it is in this way. So look at this. This point here is very important here. This is the slope. Okay, the inclination is 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right. Okay, so this means here this line, these 3 points, this is y change. How many units? Is 3 units. Okay, and then in the these lines means exchange. How many units? 1 unit. 1 unit. So change 1 unit right here is 1 unit. Here is 3 units. It's a little bit talking about the slope. This is our graph. Our graph is 3x minus y equals 2. This is our problem. So that's it. Very